If you're on the hunt for the perfect electric edge router, you're in the right place. Today we're counting down the top 5 from the ones that just get the job done to the ones that will completely change your woodworking game. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the CtopoGo CT-370. It's got plenty of muscle for its size, thanks to an 800-watt motor that spins up to 30,000 RPM. On paper, that's impressive, and if you're looking for raw speed in a lightweight package, this one delivers. It even comes with a big bundle of accessories right out of the box. Where it really shines is in its straightforward trimming and edge work. The high RPM makes it great for quick passes, and its weight means you can work for longer without feeling like your arm's falling off. Plus, the included bits and guides give you some flexibility in what you can do. But compared to the others on this list, it's a bit limited. That fixed speed means no dialing it down for delicate jobs, and the single 1/4-inch collet size won't fit larger bits. The fixed base also rules out plunge routing without a separate tool, and the voltage differences between markets can be confusing. If you're a beginner or hobbyist who mostly needs something small, simple, and ready to go, this is a fine choice. And by the way, you can find links to all the routers in this review at the best price in the description below. At number 4, the WORKPRO packs more control into the mix, with variable speed from 12,000 up to 30,000 RPM and both 1/4 and 3/8-inch collet options. It's a lot more versatile than the CtopoGo. It's also got precise rack and pinion depth adjustment for cleaner, more repeatable cuts. This makes it a good step up for anyone who wants a router that adapts to different materials and tasks. The accessory set is generous, and the transparent dust hood is a nice touch for keeping your work visible. The trade-offs? It's heavier than most palm routers, and you won't be able to run half-inch bits. Some users have also noted inconsistent build quality, so you might want to double-check yours out of the box. If you're willing to deal with a little extra weight for more speed control and versatility, this could be your match. And before we move on, if you're finding this review helpful, give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. In the middle of our list, the DEWINNER balances speed, precision, and a comfortable design. The RPM range is wide and the quick lock depth adjustment is easy to work with, even in the middle of a project. Like the WORKPRO, it offers both 1/4-inch and 3/8-inch collets, giving you more bit options. This router's strength is in its combination of high speed and ergonomic handling. It's built solidly with an aluminum body and comes with a generous accessory kit. That makes it a great all-rounder for both trimming and decorative work. Its main drawback is weight. It's heavier than some other palm routers, which can tire you out in long sessions. Also, the voltage varies depending on the version, so make sure you get the one that matches your outlet. If you want a tool to cover a wide range of woodworking jobs without breaking the bank, this one's worth a serious look. In the number 2 spot is the BOSCH, a router that punches above its weight. With speeds topping out at 35,000 RPM and both macro and micro depth adjustments, it's built for precision. The soft start feature keeps it from jerking on startup, and the constant speed circuitry means it stays steady even under load. This is a favorite among pros for detailed edge work, inlays, and fine trimming. Its lightweight makes it easy to maneuver, and the ergonomics are spot on for all-day use. The downsides? It's limited to 1/4-inch bits. There's no built-in dust collection, and the base is fixed unless you buy a separate plunge base. If precision and ease of handling are at the top of your list, this router is hard to beat for the price. Taking the top spot is the DEWALT, and it's easy to see why. This cordless router delivers the kind of power you'd expect from a corded model, but with the freedom to move wherever you need to work. The brushless motor is efficient and long-lasting, and features like dual LEDs, a soft start, and an electronic brake make it a joy to use. The biggest advantage here is portability. You're not tied to an outlet, and it's compatible with DEWALT's entire 20-volt battery line. It's perfect for on-site jobs or anywhere you don't want cords getting in the way. The trade-off is a slightly lower max RPM compared to the BOSCH, and you'll need to buy a plunge base separately if you want that functionality. It's also one of the more expensive options. If you want the ultimate blend of convenience, quality, and cordless freedom, this is the one to beat. If you're ready to level up your woodworking, these routers cover everything from budget-friendly starters to pro-level cordless freedom. Check the links in the description to grab the top picks at the best prices. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more reviews just like this.